Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Rocket.net account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you save a website template in Rocket.net? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a template for a website in Rocket.net anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably have multiple websites, and sometimes they're going to be city specific or specific, but it's basically the same as all your other websites. You're just changing a few items. So by creating a template, you can easily create a new website that's identical to the other websites and then go in there and data entry just to change it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Rocket.net account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Rocket.net account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a template from one of your existing sites, here on the left side, you're going to click on your name. There's a blue arrow next to it. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Site Templates. Okay, once you do that, you're going to click on the blue Create New Template. Once you do that, you're going to see this box. So you can select your website, plugins, and themes you wish to use for a new template. So let's name this one Restaurant Website Template. Okay, and next you want to go ahead and choose your site. So I just have this one website, so I'm going to use that as my template. Here you can add notes if you want, so you can remember what this template's for, and then click on Create. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now we have a template. So this is Restaurant Website Template. So off to the right here, you can go ahead and click on Create Site, or you can click back over here and click on Sites. Once you click on Sites, click on Create Site. Once you do that, go ahead and name the new site. So let's say this is a taco restaurant, and then choose a location. Let's go ahead and just use US. And here is where you can go ahead and choose the template. So we'll use our restaurant website template and then click on continue. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to create a website template in your Rocket.net account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.